Hey, what's up guys, it's Val here, and in today's video we're testing 7 TikTok beauty hacks. Since our channel is about beauty hacks and tips and tricks and all of this stuff, I thought that I should make a video testing other tips and let's see how it works. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Val, and here in our channel we give you simple tips and tricks on how you can look and feel better. So if you want, press the subscribe button so you can stay updated with all the new videos coming up for you soon. Just a quick disclaimer, I have chapped lips and foundation on them. That's with purpose. We're gonna try one of them hacks. Something else, I don't have mascara on. That's with a purpose as well. I've got my coffee here. Okay, we are starting out with the lips and there we go. I'm watching her meanwhile. So what she is really doing here is overlining the center of the lower lip and the cupid's bow. Let's just press pause here. Let's try. Let's apply some lipstick now. Okay, yes. Ooh, that looks horrible on my chapped lips. Let's see what we got here. My lips definitely look bigger, but not too overline. I don't know how you see it on the camera, but in the mirror they look nice, really. I will say, yes, it works, so you can try it. Alright, next one is... okay, you can see it here. So that's the liner with a bobby pin. Okay, let's go for it. I've prepared some bobby pins. I will need to put my hair up a bit for this. It's eyeliner is my nightmare, so cross fingers for this one. I'm applying some of the liner on the bobby pin. Okay, let's hope for the best. I need closer mirror here. That's not working. At least not with this liner. I think I have to be quicker. Okay. Let's do that again. I will grab another eyeliner and I'll give it a chance again. Okay, yes, definitely it's the liner. I wouldn't say it's a straight line though. What she's doing next is she's filling the gaps. So I don't know if you can see that line here. I mean, it might be what bobby pin you have. It's just a bit curved on one side. So what it's doing is creating a curve on your liner, which is usually the opposite of what we need from the eyeliner. I will do something else. I will take the other bobby pin. This one is a bit more sharp, and let's try again. Honestly, let's try to feel this. This is not a straight line, this is not a wing. So that's a no-no from me. I wouldn't try it again. So the liner is done, and then let me show you. So baby powder. So first of all, I have to say that this baby powder is a bit tricky, and if you have wrinkly eyelids and wrinkly eyes in general and you don't want to use so much powder, it's not gonna be your cup of tea. I have the same powder here. Let's just apply some on my hand. Oof. I'm taking my mascara. Oh my god, this powder smells so much. Oh wow. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Can you see that? That's a yes. Let's see what we have next. That's the blackheads. I have to take a bobby pin again. Let me just find one and show you what exactly we are talking about. Okay, he's steaming his face here. I will not steam my face in front of the camera. You should always try these things with clean face, clean hands. I will try to see if this will be able to move anything. And on this part here, I always have blackheads, which are quite easy to remove with just a swipe. So let's see if this is gonna work there. Let's see. Yes. Yes, I have to say that it works. I'll give this one thumbs up. Next is, yes, that's the highlighter trick. So what they're showing you here is application of Vaseline under your highlighter. And honestly, I picked the video because I saw few videos with the same thing already. And I have to tell you that I wouldn't try it. If I have any makeup on my face, I don't think that it will stay there for more than half an hour probably. Oil and Vaseline breaks down makeup. Next, something else again with Vaseline. Let me show you. My lips are chapped. This is something I'm dealing with all the time, so let's see this exfoliation thing. No, I don't know if you can see that everything is still here. It doesn't work. What else did we get? The one with the hair. See how she's doing this. Okay. Let's see. She's grabbing some hair here. Some from this side. Some from the other side. Then some from this side again. And then some more from the other side. I need to get rid of my finger there. Oops. I dropped it. Is this gonna work or no? Okay. Some more from this side. And some more from this side. You see, what I find it hard here is keeping the hair. I think I had to take some more from this side. Be nicer. And just try. Okay, what I did is I grabbed some more hair from one side. Now I have a lot of baby hair here and you can't really tell, but I think it looks nice. Let me just try. I did bring it quite further back, but it's nice. Just get rid of this baby hair again. This is for somebody who likes this hairstyle. That's not me, so I will give this one thumbs up and down. Just try it. I think it's easy. I just prefer something different. So far that was everything I had for you today. If you found this video helpful or at least funny, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon.